After spending a couple of weeks exploring parts of Germany, Italy, and Switzerland, I'm now back in Hanover, which has been my base during this trip, thanks to my friend Celine. I'll be taking it easy here on my last few days in Germany before I head back home to the US. This video will be a little more vlog style than usual, but I enjoyed these last days and I wanted to make sure that I captured these moments as well. We start off in Hagenburg, which is Celine's hometown, a little outside of Hanover. Her parents made this lovely breakfast spread for us. Carnival costume. Yeah. My first view of the famous lake. What's it called? Steinhuder Meer. Hagenburg is pretty near a large lake that we'll be spending a few hours biking around today. This path was great because we passed through this cute little town area, and then a little later on we'll pass through the woods and fields and of course by the lake. It was pretty chilly this day, so it was impressive that these people were just out here catching some waves. I can imagine that this beach area is really fun in the summer. A little further down the path, we arrive at this really neat little boardwalk with a different view of the lake. Once we make it back, we're greeted with a warm lunch, also once again courtesy of Celine's parents. It's a different day now and I'm back in Hanover. Before I log on to work for the day, I'll just be doing a little shopping for some things that I'd like to bring back to the US. This was a store that my boss recommended, so of course I'm going to bring her back some tea. They had so many different flavors in here. And honestly, I found some of the best things just in the grocery stores and drugstores.
About to do something very illegal here, but it's legal in Germany, so they're surprise eggs. This was very, very dangerous. I almost choked on it, actually. So I get it. It makes sense as to why it's illegal. So.
The next day, I'm checking out a pre-Christmas market that they had set up on the other side of town. It was early November, so not quite the typical market just yet, but still really fun to visit.
Oh man, I can't believe there's a delay.
What a surprise.
Dang.
my iconic goat bag that I got at a Swiss grocery store, which I'll be using for my carry-on on a long journey home, and I must say it did the job very well. And here we're saying our goodbyes. This was a risk. I didn't weigh my bag until I got to the airport. FYI, 23 kilograms is about 50 pounds, so I'm really pushing the limit here. I have a quick layover in Amsterdam, and then I'll take a long haul across the Atlantic. And before I know it, I'm back in the US with another little layover in the ATL. Of course, I have my classy luggage in the Sky Lounge. And here's a little haul of all of the stuff I bought in the earlier clips.